Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve the exercises of Unit 3 Grade 5 Oxford Primary Science. The name of Unit 3 is the life functions. After reading page number 23 and 24, we will firstly solve the concept check page number 24. At the page number 24, concept check, they first fill in the blanks. All the living things grow when they are young. All the living things grow when they are dash. All the living things grow when they are young. Growth slows down and stops at the stage in dash DL dash. Adulthood. Okay, this is the word adulthood. All the living things move. Movement is called dash locomotion. All the living things move. Their movement is called locomotion. It uses up energy. The second concept check at the page number 26. All living things need energy. How do the following living things get their energy? Antlion, Rafflesia, apple tree, shark. Antlion throw food by eating ant. Rafflesia gets its energy by living off the food made by other plants. Apple tree through photosynthesis. Shark through its food. You can write it on notebook as well as it's also possible to write in the page number 26 at the bottom of the page. Third concept check from the page number 29. All living things need oxygen. What body part do living things use for respiration? What body part do the living things be used for respiration? Nostrils, rat, gills, trout, spiracles, cricket, stomata, oak tree, moist body surface, tadpoles, nostril, frog and log. So actually this was in the shape of column A and B. A, do the living thing. B, use for respiration. So at the A, in the column A, you will write nostrils. Rat, and in column B you will write nostrils. Then gills, trout. In the column B you will write gills, and in column A you will write trout. Living thing is cricket. Used for respiration, spiracles. Moist body surface, oak tree. Oak tree is a living thing and used for respiration, stomata. Tadpole is a living thing. Moist body surface is used for respiration. Frog on the log is a living thing and used for respiration. It uses nostrils for respiration. At the page number 29, now concept check At the next page, page number 30, all living things perform certain functions. What are the 7 functions you have learned about in this unit? All living things move, grow, take in food, respire, produce, waste, have sensitivity and reproduce. So these are the 7 functions. Complete the sentences. Most mammals give birth to live young. Some mammals produce only baby at a time, while other many produce many. So these are the blanks. Most of the mammals give birth to live young. Some mammals produce only one baby at a time, while others produce many. Discuss and answer. Fishes have nostrils but don't have breathe through these. Can you explain why? Fishes have nostrils but don't breathe through these. Can you explain why they breathe through gills? They live in water which contains oxygen, and gills allow them to get oxygen out of the water. The second question is, you now know that all the babies look like their parents. Do you have similarities with your parents? Can you share few of them? Pupils will share a few of their physical characteristics. So this is the task. Very interestingly, you can do it, that which features, which part of your face, which your habits are going to match with your parents. So we are going to start solving the exercise. As you can watch in the screen, the solved exercise. Choose the correct answer. What does locomotion use up? Locomotion use up energy. Which of these functions is performed by all living things? Number B, respiration. Respiration is correct answer. Which of the following is waste product which human exhale? Carbon dioxide. Fishes have 6 senses. What is it? Fishes have 6 senses. The 6 senses line along its body that allows fish to feel vibration in water. So when they are out of water, they feel disturbed. A fly tastes with its dash feet. Fly tastes food with its feet. Match the definition in the column A with the correct term in the column B. Plants make their own food by the process called photosynthesis. Plants and animal. Match the definition in the column A with the correct term in column B. The ability of living thing to move from one place to another is called locomotion. The ability of living thing to feel things around them is called sensitivity. The process by which living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide is respiration. The process by which living things continue to extend their species is reproduction. Fill in the blanks. Plants make their own food by the process called photosynthesis. Plant and animal take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. Animal can move from place to place. This movement is called locomotion. Rafflesia is a parasite. Insect breathe through spiracles. A snake's tongue pick up chemical particle from the air and the ground. Fish breathe through their gills. At the page number 32, all the fill in the blanks are going to be solved. So the next is number 4. Name the living things. It can produce up to 32 babies at one time. Mice can produce up to 32 babies at one time. It has 8 legs and builds a web. Spider. It flies about at night. It has good hearing. Bat. It breathes through the moist skin. Earthworms. Frog. It breathes through stomata. Plants. The next is answer the following questions. What is one important thing that plant can do but animal cannot? Plant can make their own food but animal cannot. Why do animal move from place to place? Animal move from place to place to find food and water or to avoid danger. How does a mosquito feed? A mosquito feeds through a sharp needle-like mouth part. Give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. How does it get energy? Some plants do not make their food. They can be carnivores. Example, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, and parasites. Example, Rafflesia. Decomposers. Examples, mushroom. So these cannot prepare their own food. What is taking in and giving out air called? Taking in and giving out air is called respiration. Do all the animals do this in the same way? What about the plants? No, respiration all the animals don't do it on the same way. While here there is demanded from student to write their answers. How different animal respire differently. So the student also should be able to give simple explanation of respiration in plants. So how do the plant respire and how do the animal respire? You should explain it by your own. Why do animals need to be able to sense danger? Why do animals need to be able to sense danger? Describe few examples of how animal can tell if there is danger nearby. Students should be able to use their own word to explain how different animals sense danger. What are antennae? Which animals have them and what are they used for? Students should be able to use their own words to describe antennae and what they are used for. So you have studied in the chapter about it, so you must have to explain these questions. Okay, you will have to choose one animal and one plant, and you must have to write a paragraph and type it on the PowerPoint. Make a PowerPoint presentation of about your favorite then the strangest plant and animal. Describe how they sense the world around them. Draw the picture too. You should do it by your own. Mark these sentences with tick and cross. The hummingbird hovers while it feeds. Tick, it's correct. Fish do not chew food. It's correct. Animal take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen while breathing. Cross. The lateral line can be found in some plants. Cross. Plant reproduce by reproducing seeds or spores. Tick. Do all the small animals move in the same way? How do animals without legs, a worm, a slug, a snail, a leech snake, move along the ground? So think about it. Also, you must have to think it and write in a rough notebook. And after that, after vacation, inshallah, we will discuss it in a great way. So wherever you need any guidance, you can ask on WhatsApp. So do your work very neatly on the notebook and keep watching our videos for more. Inshallah, we will share soon the reading video too, but your accent and your reading must be very good. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.